So this is a follow-up to the repair of the Hornby Class 37. I'm having trouble getting the motor out of the bogie. I don't want to push on this too much because I don't want to break something there, or push it at this lever. One thing I did notice is there's a wire missing from this end, and I think that's crucial to this thing working. Now, what I was able to do was I removed these, took out the springs, cleaned them and cleaned the brushes, and I also was able to stick the Q-tip in there with some isopropyl alcohol in it and scrubbed away as best I could at the commutator. But I think I still need to get in there, and if I start trying to separate this housing as it stands right now, I might create other problems. So getting this out of the bogie is the first part of the exercise, so that I can get inside the housing to clean all that out. And the other thing is, if I get a little piece of wire just to test it here, that might help. So maybe double O Bill, if you're watching or listening in, maybe you could give me a heads up on, and I think I did this on the APT, was just connect a piece of wire from there to the other side. But I don't have a soldering iron, I don't have a piece of wire as I'm travelling. But I think I'm nearly there. And as you see, there's no spark of life coming from it at this point in time. But we'll get there. Bye for now.